Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for being here. Today, I would like to describe a statistical analysis I performed using Microsoft Excel. This focus of this analysis on understanding the relationship between two variables using simple linear regression and Pearson correlation. I worked with two different datasets. The first dataset relates to product weight and profit, while the second one involves car purchase price and car selling prices. The goal of the study is to answer this two questions. Number one, can we predict the values of one variable based on another? Two, how strong is the relationship between these two variables? To answer this question, I use statistical formula for regression and correlation, which are shown in the spreadsheet. Okay, the first one, uh, let's begin with the dataset one. This data contain 15 energy, where X is the weight of product in arbitrary units, and WY is the profit gained from the product. I first calculated several important supporting value and then I summed all the value to get the total for each column. This total were used to compute the regression equation using the least squares method. For the formula I use this formula to find out value of A and B. Okay, what this and we get output for the A is mean 1.16, sorry, 6, and for B we got 3.8. Okay, what does this mean? It means that for every increase of 1 unit, product weight, the profit increased by 3.8 unit on average. However, this is a starving offset of negative 1.6, which might indicate that if no product is produced, the company still faces some baseline cost or loss. Next, I calculated correlation coefficient, often denoted as R. This formula, we use this. Okay, from the data, R is we got 0.77. This tells us the relationship between work and profit is strongly positive. That is, the heavier the product, the higher the profit, and the relationship is fairly consistent. Also, since the value is significant above 0.5, it shows that work is a good predictor of profit in this context. Okay, now let's move on to dataset 2. Okay. Which is just slightly more complex. In this case, the X is the purchase price of the car and WY is the selling price of the car. There is 19 records in total, just like in the first dataset. I calculated all of them for each pair and then calculated the slope and intercept. Okay, for the Russell from data, we got 19. The slope base 0.1556, and for intercept is negative 109.87. The resulting regression equation is E equal A plus B. We got this two data. Okay. This means that for every increase of 1 unit, the buying price, the selling price increased by 0.155 units. However, the intercept is very negative, which is the mean the model might not be ideal, especially for lower X value. It suggests that the line doesn't fit well at the origin of value, possibly due to outline or non-linearity. To test strength of the relationship, we can calculate the Pearson correlation coefficient will come out to be 0.61778. This value indicated a moderate positive correlation between the car buying and selling price. The relationship exists but is not as strong as in the first dataset. This could be due to various market conditions such as depression, car condition, demand, brand reputation, or even negotiation skill, all of which may alter car prices and make the prediction less reliable. Okay. In conclusion, based on the two dataset one showed a strong linear relationship between weight and profit with a solid regression equation and high correlation of 0.77. This means the regression model is a good predictor. And for dataset 2 had a weaker model with a correlation of only 0.61 and a negative intercept that makes point prediction unrealistic for low value. Therefore, we can say that linear regression is useful with only the under the right condition, especially when the relationship between variable is strong and linear. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.